أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والليل إذا يغشى والنهار إذا تجلى وما خلق الذكر والأنثى إن سعيكم لشتى فأما من أعطى واتقى وصدق بالحسنى فسنيسره لليسرى وأما من بخل واستغنى وكذب بالحسنى فسنيسره للعسرى وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى إن علينا للهدى وإن لنا للآخرة والأولى فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى لا يصلاها إلا الأشقى الذي كذب وتولى وسيجنبها الأتقى الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى ولسوف يرضى.
By the night when it covers and by the day when it appears by him who created male and female. Indeed, your efforts are diverse. As for he who gives and fears Allah and believes in Al-Husna, we will ease him toward ease. But he who is greedy miser and thinks himself self-sufficient, and gives the lie to the best, we will ease him toward difficulty. And what will his wealth avail him when he falls? Truly, on us is to give guidance. And verily unto us belong the end and the beginning. So I have warned you of a fire which is blazing. None shall enter it save the most wretched, who denies and turns away. But the righteous one will avoid it, he who spends his wealth for increase in self-purification, and who has, in mind, no favor from anyone to be paid back, but only seeking the countenance of his Lord, Most High. And he is going to be satisfied.
فإذا قرأت القرآن فاستعذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
When thou dost read the Quran, seek Allah's protection from Shaitan the rejected one.